Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my student. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You enjoy.
I am very well, thank you. Before we are going to start our meeting, would you like to selfie lead us praying to God?
Before studying, let's pray together. Begin, finish, greeting. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Selfie. And now I would like to check your attendance list. Windy.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Now I would like to remind you about the last material. Ada yang masih ingat materi terakhir kita kemarin tentang apa?
We studied about recipe of food share.
Kita lanjutkan. Pak Taspan hanya mengingatkan dulu bahwasanya walaupun sekarang kita menjalani belajar daring karena kondisi pandemik ini, kalian harus tetap semangat dalam belajar, keep spirit. Oke? Oke. Now I would like to share the screen. Ya. Today's learning material, materi pembelajaran hari ini, text procedure of recipe about drink. Mapping yang akan kita gunakan dalam pembelajaran ini, kalian diharapkan dapat menentukan, menganalisis, menyusun, dan menampilkan teks prosedur tulis pendek dan sederhana dalam bentuk resep minuman. Pak Taspan juga berharap melalui materi pembelajaran ini kalian bisa mempraktekkan sendiri buat orang-orang rumah bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu yang terkait dengan resep minuman. Is it clear for you, my student?
Yes.
Okay, good. Yeah, okay. Here the definition of recipe. Yeah. Recipe is a kind of procedure text that explain or help us how to make something. Selain definisi tadi, ada social function-nya. Fungsi sosial dari teks prosedur recipe ini adalah membantu kita bagaimana cara membuat sesuatu dengan langkah-langkah yang tepat. Strukturnya itu ada goal atau aim, ada ingredients, steps, cara-cara atau langkah-langkah yang kita akan lakukan untuk membuat sesuatu tersebut. Yaitu language feature of recipe, using simple present, and then using adverbial of sequence or using temporal adjective, using imperative sentence of command, using action verb atau kata kerja aktif, using conjunction, and using adverb of time. Mind mapping itu adalah salah satu peta konsep atau peta pikiran yang dapat membantu kita untuk memunculkan ide-ide dalam pikiran kita tentang prosedur teks tadi. Ya, bisa mulai dari title, judulnya apa. Lalu yang berikutnya goal, ya, tujuannya apa. Yang berikutnya ingredients, bahan-bahan yang akan dipakai itu apa aja. Dan yang terakhir tentunya step atau langkah-langkahnya. Ya, seperti itu. Ya, jadi dari mind mapping ini nanti akan dibuat pada sebuah paragraf yang berasal atau berdasarkan mind mapping yang sudah kita bikin tentunya. Jadi mind mapping ini akan memudahkan kita dalam menyusun sebuah paragraf seperti itu. Is it clear for you, my student?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Next, to watch the video.
To make a rare milkshake, you need 4 ingredients: 1 cup of milk, chocolate syrup, vanilla ice cream, and Oreo biscuit. First, I add Oreo biscuit into the blender. Then, pour 1 cup of milk and add 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. we pour Oreo milkshake into the glass. And then finally to garnish, we are going to add some crushed biscuit. Serve with a straw. They are so delicious of Oreo milkshake is ready.
After watching the video, answer the following question. Yeah, I would like to Selfie answer number 1.
I see text procedure about recipes of drinks or
Okay, well done, Selfie. Yeah, Prastono, would you like to answer the question number 2?
Chinese of how you to makes Oreo milkshake.
Okay, very good, Rastono. What is the communicative purpose of the video?
to tell us about how make drink based on step.
Selfie, would you like to tell us about the title?
Oreo milkshake.
Okay, very good. Oreo milkshake. Rastono, how about the goal?
How to makes Oreo milkshake.
Okay, how to make Oreo milkshake? Okay, Windy. What about ingredients?
1 cup of milk,
Okay.
coklat syrup,
Uh-huh.
vanilla ice cream, and
Uh-huh.
Oreo biscuit.
Here the result of mind mapping based on the video. Is it clear for you, my student?
Yes.
Oke, very good. Ya,
Yes.
sekarang Pak Taspan minta Selfie. Tolong bacakan.
To make our milky shake, we need some ingredient of such as 1 scoop of milk, coconut syrup, vanilla ice cream, and Oreo biscuit.
Oke.
We can start make it from some steps. First, add Oreo biscuit into the blender. Then pour 1 scoop of milk. Add 30 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream and blend. Pour 2 tablespoons of coconut syrup in the glass. Then pour Oreo milky shake into the glass. Finally, add some crushed biscuit. Serve with a straw.
Ya. Now let's conclude our material today. What do you learn? Start from Selfie.
We studied about text procedure of refuge about drink.
Oke, very good. Ya, dan Pak Taspan berharap materi hari ini yang kita simpulkan, you can keep in your mind. Dan ketika Pak Taspan tanyakan pada pertemuan berikutnya, you can answer my question related to the material. Any question so far? Ada pertanyaan sampai sini?
No, sure, it is clear.
It is color.
Okay, very good. And don't forget, do the LKPD that I share in WA group. Before we are going to close our meeting, sebelum kita tutup pertemuan ini, Selfie again, would you like to lead us praying for God? Selfie, please.
After studying, let's pray together. Begin, finish, greeting. Assalamualaikum.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I think it is enough for us for this meeting, and then we are going to meet in the next meeting. Thank you very much. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.